Hello, today we will be making the working model of the lungs. Let's get started. To make it, you will need an empty plastic water bottle, 2 straws, 3 balloons, a pair of scissors, some tape, a crafting knife, and glue of any sort. Firstly, take the empty plastic water bottle and cut it into 2 parts using the crafting knife. Now that we have cut it, we need only the top part, not the bottom part. Unscrew the lid from the bottle and make a hole in the center of it with the crafting knife or the scissors. Now, cut off the bendy part from both the straws and cut one straw into 2 halves. Cut the shorter straws as shown. Arrange the shorter straws as shown and glue them together only at the bottom so as to leave a small hole at the top. Insert the bigger straw into the small hole at the top and glue it in such a way that it creates an airtight seal. You should have something like this. Now take 2 balloons and cut off their ends. Fasten the balloons to the ends of the shorter straws using the ends of the balloons which we had cut off earlier. Now, insert the longer straw through the hole in the lid as shown and glue it in place to create an airtight seal. Let the glue dry so that the straw won't slide out and cut the straw short. Now take another balloon and cut it at its widest point. Stretch it over the bottom of the bottle as shown. Fasten it with some tape so that it does not come loose. So, now that we have made our model, let's look into the explanatory part of how the process of breathing works and about all these organs. I've attached the picture of a human head so that we can better visualize this into our actual organs. Now, this green color straw here, this is the trachea. It runs from the pharynx and it branches over here into 2 bronchi. Each bronchi feeds into either lung, the left or the right. And inside the lung, we have bronchioles which branch from the bronchi. And at the end of each bronchiole, we have alveoli. Alveoli are air sacs in which the diffusion takes place, the exchange of gases takes place. And at the bottom of all this, we have the diaphragm. It is a sheet of muscle which acts as a pump in breathing. We also have the intercostal muscles in between the ribs, which pull the rib cage outwards and upwards during inhalation, and inwards and downwards during exhalation. So now let's take a look at how this actually works. Now we have a diaphragm like this, but in humans, the diaphragm would normally be like this. It's in a dome shape when it's relaxed, and we can't do that in our model. So I'm going to pull this down to show inhalation and leave it relaxed to show exhalation. Now let's see how it works. As I pull the diaphragm down, you should be able to exhale. The lungs inhale, inflating, exhale, inhale, exhale. This happens because as the diaphragm comes down, the volume of the chest cavity increases, which decreases the pressure inside. And as we know that air moves from high pressure to low pressure, the air moves from outside to inside. And when we leave it relaxed, the volume inside the chest cavity goes down, which brings the pressure up. So we have high pressure inside and low pressure outside. So air moves from inside to the outside. So that's all with it is there to the process of breathing. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye. See you next time.